Hey, good afternoon. We are here at the Train Robbers Mesa, and that is right behind me. Beautiful place, incredibly wild feeling, despite the fact that it is only a couple miles away from Interstate 70. But that said, it does not detract from the splendor at all. And today we are going to be climbing up this mesa on a route I did many years ago. It's going to start right back there in that gully. And you are going to see one amazing view from the top. The really amazing part is it's not even that far. But I decided to come back and do it again because it was so great, and I knew I just had a short afternoon to do it. Because this should only take me probably 3 or 4 hours tops, including all the filming. So enjoy the ride. I know you will. This is a beautiful place. Another award-winning shoe from my sponsor Huckberry, and that is going to be the Speed Goat 6, which is incredibly cushy, comfortable, yet light as my bed slippers. So highly recommend those. And incidentally, that's where we're going. Wow, little patch of monkey balls. Such a crazy spot, and these weird iron deposits. And look at these. Oh my God, I don't even know what. And then I found this one too, which looks man-made. Wow, really unique. Okay, we just left from that awesome little point right there. And now we are on the true summit. And I believe that is what this nail is supposed to signify. So there's that. And it is beautiful up here. Great big isthmus sticking out that way. And then off to the left, beautiful red hills. And then that pointy one is called the Wake Up. Another road trip Ryan adventure. And he's got this area documented really well. So well worth getting the app if you want to check it out. And more just awesome swell, boy. Some spectacular towers on this side as well. Definitely hiking around is well worth it. And on Google Earth, I saw a bunch of hoodoos over here. So I am definitely going to run over there and check it out. And it is getting late, but this is a really short climb. Well, I think I am going to call it good. I am going to call these guys the Three Stooges, and they are definitely cool. I saw them last time I was here, and I wanted to get a closer look, and that was fun, definitely. And then this is just a beautiful, like, high ridge. It's just amazing. But anyway, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on this adventure while I scamper on out of here. And my story is, this is a really neat place, and this is a pretty small adventure. I can't imagine even going to all the different spots that I went more than probably 3 miles, I'd say. So not that far, a little steep at the beginning, and then just kind of cool edges and fun. So highly recommended. There is that class 4. A little bit tricky route finding, but again, if you have Road Trip Ryan app, that's not going to be an issue at all with a GPS track. So I recommend doing that and just enjoying yourself and seeing all the sights and not worrying about trying to get in and out of here alive, because otherwise it's a little tricky. The first time I did not have that. So that's my story. Enjoy. And that campsite at the base looked sweet. It was already stocked full of firewood and everything. I don't know if I'll make a fire, but I think I will be enjoying that. So signing off. See you on the next one. And here we go. We get down the little scary section right here, and it's really not too bad. Just keep an eye on where your feet are going to go. That's going to be safe, and not where you don't want to go. And the key too is this spot is marked with a big red spot, so you'll come up and then do the traverse at the red spot. No problemo. So I don't think I can do this one-handed. Just to give you an idea, that's what I'm going to just down climb right now. And it's really not bad. Class 4 is fair. So enjoy the trip. We'll see you on the next one.